Maddie. Maddie.
Maddie.
Come here.
Come on.
Call her. She's getting stung.
Come on, Maddie.
She's getting... They're all over her, Leonard.
Come on, Maddie.
She's covered with bees, Leonard.
I see them.
Hi, bees. Oh, they're going in, Leonard.
Are they?
Yep.
If I can get that second swarm down there on the ground.
Yeah, get the second one. Yep, they're...
She was getting stung, so watch out. There
well,
goes the queen. Is that the big queen going in?
No, I don't see her going in. I'm looking for her.
There's a big, long one. That's as good as I can do it right there.
Well, it looks like they're going in. So awesome.
Yeah, see, he'd find the queen and put her in there.
Well, let's see if we can find her. Ah!
Better watch it, you're gonna get stung. They are going in it.
They're going in. They're also landing on me. It always freaks me out.
Take a picture of them on the board.
I'm videoing it. Here, take my camera and take some pictures. I want to get there and see if I can find the queen.
You better watch it. You get them all angry at you. Come on. She must be in the middle.
I see her. I see her climbing around the top. Bees. I lost it now, but I thought I saw her. I wonder if we should take the lid off. They're trying to get in the top.
No.
Ah. Okay, bee.
I was trying to swarm on that upper limb again.
Yes, they are. Maybe it's just the others collecting. Maybe you didn't get the queen. I thought I saw it.
A lot of them getting on that board and going in there.
But they're not all. I'm wondering if the queen isn't here. Let me see if I could get closer and find her. I don't think the queen's in there, or they would all be going. I think it's possible.
Huh?
It could be. I'm not seeing her, but... Oh.
Well, I could try one more time. That little bunch of them.
Wait, does it look like they're starting to go in, and now they're kind of moving towards the hive?
They're moving that way.
They are now. They're starting to get closer. They might go.
I was wondering about that little clump up on top there.
Yeah.
There's still quite a few of them there. I'm wondering if she's up there.
Well,
They're checking it out.
I'm not seeing the queen. It seems like if she was in there, they would all be going in. Why don't you take that last swarm? There you go. Whoa! Amateurs here.
That's the last time I'm doing that. I've done it 3 times and I haven't been stung yet.
Okay. Looks like there's a little more going on here now.
It's like they're heading into me.
Yeah, I think you might have got her this time. I'm wondering if we should take that lid off.
Once they go in, they got to have a place to stay. They just go in and out then. They want to have a covered home. Look at them going in.
See if I can find the queen.
The whole front platform's covered with them, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh.
As late in the day as it is, I think they're going to have to use that nest. What time is it? Just push the finger.